guys. Night walk. It's already 12 midnight guys. Dito ba kami sa Orchard area naglalakad just after work. Good evening guys. Thank you for watching again. Kasama ko na naman mga kasama ko sa vlog. I show you guys. Tatatlo lang kami yung magtrabaho. Kami lang. Yan na naman mga flowers. Parals, flowers everywhere. Ang ganda yung building ng Prado guys. Prada. Walking the street of Orchard. See the flowers guys on the banda. Pink flowers. It's very beautiful guys. Ito ang itsura ng mga buildings sa Orchard area paggabi. Ang mga kasamahan ko guys. Taas na building guys. Doon sa tuktok guys. Yan yung Lucky Plaza guys.
You're doing what? Your video.
Yeah.
Serious ah?
Yeah.
Why?